Imagine a world where every transaction, every handshake, and every contract is built on trust. Trust is the backbone of any thriving economic system. From ancient barter systems to modern digital transactions, trust fuels economic growth. It encourages investment, fosters innovation, and ensures stability. When people trust their economic system, they spend, save, and invest confidently.
They can de obi want to sokra but do be mobro wo no mu no say bia what is 1 million they can bo modern na dey efama.
But trust is fragile. It requires transparency, accountability, and fairness. It's built over time but can be shattered in an instant. We've seen the consequences when trust is broken: financial crises, economic downturns, and social unrest. But we've also seen the resilience of systems that rebuild trust through ethical practices and strong governance. Let's champion trust in our economic systems, because a trusted economy is a prosperous economy. Together, we can build a future where trust is the currency that never loses its value. Trust in economic systems. It's not just an ideal, it's our shared reality.